Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today, I will be presenting our group project. We are from group number 4, class game A. The company we select for this assignment is Dash Lady Milk Industry Berhad. With the introduction, let me introduce our group members. First is Nurabi Habita Asri, Nurwadina binti Yusri, Ala Farzana binti Zakaria, and Nabila binti Saleh, and lastly Nur Andis Najwa binti Mazlan. Today, I will start by introducing the company that we selected, which is Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad. Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad was established in 1963 and is one of the leading dairy and nutrition companies in Malaysia. It is a subsidiary of Friesland Campina, one of the world's largest dairy cooperative with more than 60 years of experience. The company is committed to providing nutritious, safe, and sustainable, and also halal dairy products to nations. Today, Dutch Lady serves approximately 5.08 million households and 9.3 million consumers annually, making it the number one dairy company in Malaysia by market value. Moving on to the company's leadership, the chairperson of Dutch Lady is Datin Seri Sunita Meilin Rajakumar. She holds a Bachelor of Laws from the University of Bristol and is also a qualified chartered accountant with over 20 years of work experience. She has played an important role in strengthening the company's governance, sustainability initiative, and long-term strategic direction. In terms of product and services, Dutch Lady offers a wide range of high-quality dairy and nutrition products that cater to consumers at every stage of life. The company focuses on delivering products that are nutritious, affordable, safe, and halal, while continuously improving their quality and nutritional value to meet consumers' changing needs. Lastly, Dutch Lady employs around 460 full-time employees in Malaysia and continues to invest in employee development, workplace safety, innovation, and operational efficiency. In 2025, the company generated approximately 1.5 billion ringgit in revenue and further strengthened its operations by opening a new distribution center at Pada Estate alongside its Industry 4.0 manufacturing facility. With this strong background, Dutch Lady provides an excellent example of how effective operations management contributes to business success. Now, on the right side of this slide is a organizational chart of Dutch Lady Company.
For Dutch Lady Mesa industry, managing quality is one of the most important operation management activities to ensure that all products are safe, nutritious, and of high quality for consumers. Firstly, the quality management process starts at the input stage where raw materials such as fresh meat from local dairy farmers and imported meat powder are received at the manufacturing facility in Bandar Estate. Before being used in production, all batch of raw materials undergo strict quality assurance testing. This test include bacteria counting and other safety evaluation to ensure that only safe and approved materials enter the production process. Next, during the production stage, the meat is processed using ultra-high temperature or UHT technology. This process helps to eliminate harmful microorganisms and ensure product safety while extending shelf life. The entire production process is closely monitored using a computerized SCADA system, which allow real-time quality and food safety control. After that, the meat is blended with essential vitamins and minerals according to specific product formulation. The finished product then go through automated packaging system to ensure hygiene, consistency, and efficiency. Final inspections are also carried out before the product are released for distribution. Finally, the products are delivered nationwide using a cold chain logistics system to maintain product quality. The Schledi milk industry also complies with international standards such as FSC 22000 and halal certification. In addition, in 2023, 92.6% of its products met the global nutritional standard, showing the company's strong commitment to quality assurance.
Next, I will present the second operations management activity for Dutch Lady Malaysia, which is location strategies. Recently, Dutch Lady made a massive strategic decision to relocate its entire manufacturing hub from Petaling Jaya to a brand new 32.59-acre site in Tech Park or Anstec Negeri Sembilan, involving a land investment of 56.79 million ringgit. Why did they move? After 50 years, the old Petaling Jaya plant faced several traffic congestion on the federal highway, high land taxes, and most importantly, they completely ran out of physical space to expand. Bandar Estate was chosen based on a careful location evaluation. It provides excellent connectivity to major highways, KLIA, and Port Klang, which helps speed up our Phase 1 inbound logistic and final output distribution. Being in a world-class halal hub also helps Dutch Lady maintain its strict halal compliance with JAKIM. As a result of this location strategy, Dutch Lady successfully built a 400 million ringgit Industrial Revolution 4.0 smart factory. This new automated facility has doubled their production capacity, especially during the phase 4 automated packaging stage, by saving up to 25% of electricity using rooftop solar panels.
We present the operation management activity supply chain at Dutch Lady Mill Industry Berhad. Dutch Lady Mill Industry supply chain is built around an end-to-end ecosystem based on its global from grass to glass model, which seamlessly balances strict quality control with expanded production capacity. First, upstream sourcing, grass to glass. Let's look at the upstream phase first. Dutch Lady Mill Industry heavily emphasized local sourcing through its farmer-to-farmer program. This initiative trained local dairy farmers to increase milk yield while meeting international safety standards. Thanks to this, Dutch Lady Mill Industry successfully boosted its spending on domestic vendors from 39% in 2023 to 56% in the 2024 financial year. Once collected, these raw materials follow a strict operational flow at the Banda Estate facility, starting with inbound testing, moving to processing, which involved thermal transformation blending and mixing, and finally going through automated packaging. Second, downstream smart distribution. Moving on the downstream logistics, Dutch Lady Mill Industry received a major upgrade with the launch of its new Industry 4.0 ready smart distribution center at Banda Estate on May 30, 2025. This automated hub connects directly with the production line and has a massive storage capacity of 25,000 pallets, which acts as a vital buffer against regional supply shortage. By utilizing smart automation and robotics, the facility maximizes warehouse space, accelerate order fulfillment, and minimize human errors to keep cold chain distribution completely seamless. Third, supply chain gaps. However, there are still a few areas where supply chain governance can improve. First, there is a communication bottlenecks. Internet assessments show that frontline factory and union workers lack corporate email accounts, which slow down communication and make it harder to implement digital training platforms. Second, the traditional milk industry faced a price volatility risk due to unpredictable global dairy price. To counter this, great traditional milk industry need to pair its high-tech warehouse with advanced data analytics. It is demand planning department for more accurate forecasting and to avoid stock wastage. Thank you. That is all from me. Now I will pass the floor to the next presenter.
Alright, now we go to 3.0, how we manage logistics in our organization. HDD has completely transformed its logistics by consolidating manufacturing and distribution at our new Enstek distribution center. This integrated model is a first for Malaysia's dairy industry and it mirrors what Friesland Campina already does in Europe. The facility stores nearly 25,000 pallets which ensure we maintain healthy stock level and deliver nationwide on time. Automation and digital system reduce errors, maximize space, boost productivity across the board. On sustainability, we install solar panels that are projected to cut electricity used by 20 to 25% and carbon emission by 13 to 16%. Beyond the building itself, our supply chains actually covers demand forecasting, warehousing, inventory, and distribution. Consolidating at Enstek has lower costs and reduce our reliance on external warehouses, where we keep strong raw material buffers to guard against disruption and price hike, which is reflected in our negative cash conversion cycle. We collect each faster than we pay suppliers. Finally, we strike the right balance by leveraging Friesland Campina's global network while staying locally responsive to Malaysian customers. That is how we keep product flowing smoothly. Next, we moving to our section 4.0, our improvement on the company. Firstly, we need to strengthen financial resilience, where we should diversify our supply base to avoid over-reliance on any single sources and use smarter financial hedging to protect against currency fluctuation. At the same time, we must shift focus toward high-margin products like specialized nutritional drinks and on-the-go formats while phasing out low-contribution items to boost profitability. Second, we should deepen ties with local dairy farmers. Expanding this relationship reduce our exposure to global price volatility and currency risk. While supporting the local economy, this aligns with our better sourcing commitment. On the environment, we need to go beyond solar panels by expanding recycling program and setting more ambitious carbon reduction target to build that trust with eco-conscious consumers. Third, with our double production capacity at Enstek, we should explore export to Singapore, Indonesia, and Thailand. This open new revenue stream and reduce our dependence on the major local market. Lastly, we must keep innovating to meet changing consumer preferences, which healthy option, convenience packaging, and plant-based alternative. And we should invest more in digital marketing and e-commerce to engage younger consumers who are increasingly shopping online. Lastly, let me wrap up with our conclusion, which is over its 92-year journey in Malaysia. Dutch Lady has shown a remarkable strategic vision. The new integrated hub at Banda Estate has turned logistics into a true competitive advantage, which is giving us greater efficiency, faster market response, a smaller environmental footprint, and the capacity to expand regionally. But we cannot afford to be complacent. The dairy industry evolves quickly, so we must actively build financial resilience, depend on local partnership, and push harder on sustainability and expand into new market with innovative products. Ultimately, our long-term success comes down to balance balancing operational excellence with social responsibility and local commitment with regional ambition. If we keep investing in innovation, sustainability, and our people, we're confident Dutch Lady will continue nourishing the nation for generations to come. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.